Hello everyone, this is John Lin speaking. Thank you for joining this event. And I know that we already have a topic this year in July, talk about our new feature in 2020. So today I would like to show how to find those functions and how to use them. Okay, let's just outline today. First, I will show you what's the tool we have in 2020 for the pre-processing. And the second one is what's the new function for our post-processing. And the third one is our solver enhancement. And the last one, and I will show you what we support in, what kind of new module we support in Studio 2020. Okay, first one. And in 2020, we add some new tool so the user can edit the CAD file if there's some problem or defect from their CAD file. So if we click check geometries, then we will jump into this page, and then we have 4 different functions to modify our geometries. And let's see a video here. Okay, this is a part, and once we click check geometries, yeah, and it will jump into this page. It's page of fixed geometries, and we have 4 different tools, and we can check what is the defect of this CAD file. And we provide auto solve function, delete face, and fill the face. Okay, let's see how we can use the auto solve function. Right now we have more than 1,000 defect free edge. So if we click auto solve and give the tolerance, now you can see that the free edge reduced from more than 1,000 to roughly 200, and some of them still not fixed it because the tolerance is not big enough. We can keep using the auto solve function, or we can manually use the solve function and select the free edge one by one to fix the rest of them.